Loupe Server is a great solution for easy-to-use centralized logging. But for situations where you need to dive deep into your log data, we recommend taking a look at Loupe Desktop. Loupe Desktop is free, and it's easy for me to connect my existing Loupe data to the application. Here's how to do it. I'll start in Loupe Server and click the User menu. From here, I can navigate down to the Download Windows Client tab and download the application. Next, just open the executable and follow the install wizard. Once that's done, we can add our existing Loupe service to the application. I'll click the Add button in the upper left corner and start the Loupe Server connection wizard. In the first step, we have two options. This option is for anyone using our cloud instance of Loupe Server, including trial members. The second option is only applicable for users that own their own private instance of Loupe Server. I'll choose the first option and click Next. Now, I need to add my service name. If you forget your service name, open up Loupe Server in your browser, go to your service, and copy the last section of the URL. I'll put in my service name and click Next. In order to access your service, you will need your Loupe Server credentials. Just put them in at the prompt and you'll be good to go. Now I can look at the same data I am running through Loupe Server right here on the desktop. Thanks to Loupe, I can access my log data where I want to, the way I want to.